Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the recent updates from Anna University regarding the final year semester exams. Okay, let's get started. Anna University has decided to conduct the online exams for final year students 2020 in online mode. As there are more than 20,000 engineering students in final year are waiting to get their career started with job offers. Amid the COVID-19 era, the first state university to conduct online exams for its students. Coming to the exam pattern, the exam will be for 1 hour MCQ based online test. 1 hour will be conducted separately for each subject. During this exam, students will be monitored by artificial intelligence tools. AI is used to avoid malpractice during the exam. This tool monitors the physical movements, audio and computer usage of students. The estimated cost to conduct exams for all affiliated colleges is Rs 1.9 crore. Also providing offline exams. The final year SEM exams are planned in August in online mode. For the students with internet issues and who don't have laptop or desktop will be given a chance to write offline exams later. Anna University expects more than 1 lakh students to take their exam from their home, that is in online mode. Coming to the reduction in syllabus. As this year has less number of working days, portions were not covered. So Anna University has decided to drop the 5th unit in every subject so that it will be easy for students. Coming to the mark analysis. Evaluation of final semester exams 2020 will be done based on 2 factors: online test, internal assessment. 30% weightage will be given to the online exam and 70% weightage for the internal assessment marks and project work. These decisions were taken for the benefit of the students, as the final exams were important and plays a vital role for the students opted for higher education and also enable the already recruited students for early onboarding. That's all for now. For more updates, subscribe our channel. If you like the video, click the like icon and share it with your friends. Thank you.